Flagstar Bank Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving straight into an honest review of Flagstar Bank, its features, pros, cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. Flagstar is a regional bank based in Michigan, offering a full range of personal and business banking products, including checking and savings accounts, home loans, and business financing. But what sets it apart is its mortgage services, making it a popular choice for homeowners and those seeking competitive refinancing options. Let's start with checking and savings accounts. Flagstar offers basic banking options, like the Simply One checking account, which has no monthly maintenance fee if you enroll in e-statements. Their savings accounts come with reasonable interest rates, though they're not the best on the market. One perk? You can avoid fees easily, which is great for budget-conscious users. However, Flagstar's digital experience is where things get a little tricky. Their mobile app is functional but feels outdated compared to more tech-driven banks like Chime or Ally. If you prioritize a seamless online experience, this might be a drawback. Now, the mortgage services are where Flagstar really stands out. They're one of the leading mortgage lenders in the US, with a variety of loan options, from traditional fixed-rate loans to FHA, VA, and jumbo loans. If you're looking for a personalized mortgage experience, Flagstar delivers, with their loan officers offering customized solutions. However, keep in mind that the mortgage process can feel slow compared to online lenders like Rocket Mortgage. On the business banking side, Flagstar is solid for small businesses, offering lending solutions and cash management services. They're not necessarily the best if you're a tech startup looking for cutting-edge financial tools, but for traditional businesses, they're reliable. Now, let's talk fees and customer service. Flagstar's fees are on par with most traditional banks, avoidable if you meet balance requirements. However, their customer service gets mixed reviews. They offer phone and in-person support, which is great, but response times can be slow. For digital-first users who prefer live chat or instant resolutions, this might be a pain point. So, who is Flagstar best for? It's ideal for people seeking home loans and traditional banking without a lot of flashy digital tools. However, if you're looking for a modern mobile banking experience, you might want to look elsewhere. In summary, Flagstar Bank is reliable, especially for mortgages, but it lacks the modern digital experience that some users prefer. If your focus is on home loans or small business banking, it's worth considering. Otherwise, explore online banks for better digital features.